Hey guys, this is Kellen from electricwheelchairsusa.com. In this video, we want to go over some of the awesome features of the Afiscooter S3. Now, before we get into this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have lots of video content coming out, showcasing different products from many different brands. And if you subscribe, you won't miss out on any of that content. Also, we have a physical catalog that we can mail to you for free. You can call to request that, or you can go online at the top of our website, click on free catalog, fill out your information. It takes about 10 days to get to you once you have filled that out. So let's get into it. So the S3 is a three-wheel scooter that is heavy duty. Can support up to 500 pounds of weight. And there is some customization that you can do on the scooter. You can actually upgrade to golf tires. These are the standard tires. They're about 4 inches wide. Golf tires are double the width. They just provide more traction if you're riding in a lot of different grassy or off-road terrain. This is a standard lockable storage compartment. You can upgrade to a storage tote to give you more room. It's just not lockable. This one is lockable, so you can secure belongings in here. And then there's also a lockable storage compartment in the front too. So that's pretty nice to have that. You can lock your stuff, walk away from the scooter, and you don't have to be concerned with people trying to take your stuff. As far as the seat sizes, the S3 comes standard with a 20-inch wide seat, but you can get a 22-inch wide, a 24-inch wide, or you can get a dual seat, which is 33 inches in width. So that's a few of the customizations. Oh, you can also get a hardtop canopy. So the canopy has a big windshield on the front, and it covers the top of you so the sun's not beating down on you, which is definitely key to have if you're in a sunny environment. And on top of that, you can get rain sides for the canopy. And with the rain sides, that's where it basically makes an enclosure. So you just ensure that you stay dry in case it starts to rain. It keeps the electronic components dry. And it's just really nice to have. A couple other features, we'll go over them real quick. Comes with standard with 2 cup holders. The charging port is located up nice and high. You don't have to bend down to charge it, which is great. Dual USB charging ports. You can charge 2 electronic devices at the same time. You have a headlight. You have your blinkers left and right. You got a horn on both sides. This is your half speed and your 1 speed. So at the half speed, when you fully accelerate, your top speed's around 5 miles per hour. You can push it to the 1, and when you fully accelerate, you can get up to about 10 miles per hour. This is your forward and reverse switch. This is how you accelerate. It comes with electromagnetic brakes, so when you let off the throttle, the brakes will engage automatically. There is a supplemental emergency brake here, which is not really necessary. You don't need it, but you have that for additional peace of mind. This is your digital display. It displays your battery life. It has your speedometer, your odometer, and your time. And right here, this is your hazard light. So if you had to turn them on, it'll show you on the dash. And the lights are located on the front here on both sides, you can see, and then on the back. That's what they look like. The headlight lights up those 2 lights in between the blinkers. And then of course, you got your headlight here. It's got a great front and rear suspension. It really absorbs bumps very well. The seat swivels, which makes it easier to get in and out of the seat. And it also slides forward or backwards with this lever. Armrests also flip up, and they're adjustable in angle. So if you wanted to have more of an angle, you can adjust them. All around, it's like a great scooter. One of the best 3-wheel recreational scooters on the market. You can also adjust the tiller using this thumb lever. So I can pull that down and bring the tiller towards me or away from me. adjustable mirrors. The battery range is around 30 miles, which is more than enough range to get you through an entire day. But you do have the opportunity to, you can upgrade to a 100 amp hour battery that gives you a little more range, or you can upgrade to 4 lithium battery upgrades. And with the lithium, the top lithium battery has an incredible 150 mile battery range, so it's pretty crazy. Lithium batteries are more expensive, but the main benefit you really get out of it is you get the longer range, and they have a longer life cycle compared to a sealed lead acid, which a lot of these mobility scooters come standard with the sealed lead acid battery. Also, the lithium batteries do come with a 10-year warranty as well, which is pretty incredible. There's not many heavy-duty scooters on the market that have a lithium battery option. AFIKIM is offering it for all of their models, which is exclusive to Electric Wheelchairs USA. A few heavy-duty mobility scooter brands on the market, but AFIKIM is the one that stands out as the top, especially in my mind and most of the people that we talk to. And really the reason for that is they have excellent support. They also have an excellent warranty, and that warranty includes a 3-year labor agreement. 3 years. So if something goes wrong within the first 3 years, at first, they're going to try to troubleshoot that issue over the phone with you. But if for some reason they cannot troubleshoot that, they will send a technician to your home to diagnose and resolve that issue within the first 3 years, which is pretty incredible. No one else offers anything like that. The only thing comparable is a few brands offer a 1-year labor agreement, but AFIKIM is so confident in their products that they offer a 3-year labor agreement. These scooters are pretty big, so as far as transporting the scooter, you may run into some issues. What you can do is go give us a call, or you can go online and you can fill out a vehicle compatibility calculator, and you submit your vehicle year, make, and model, and your mobility products make and model, and then we can find a device for you that may work. Oftentimes, because of these AFIKIM scooters are so big, you might not find something that would actually be able to support the weight of this vehicle. But another option is if you have a truck with a small trailer, you could drive it up on the trailer. That's the most cost-effective and easy thing to do. You can just get a utility trailer. You could probably buy one locally, and then you can just drive it right up on your on the trailer and transport it that way. Now AFIKIM has the S4 model, which is really the same model as this. So from where my feet are back, the design is exactly the same. The S4, the 4-wheel model, so from here, where the front of my feet are forward, that's when the design of the scooter is a little different. They also have a C3 and a C4 model. So these two models have a 500-pound weight capacity. And when I say these two models, I mean the S3 and the S4. The C3 and the C4 offer 400-pound weight capacity. So they're more affordable, but they are also pretty heavy duty. I mean, they're classified as maybe full-size scooters, but they're definitely more heavy duty in my mind. They also have the SE model, which looks like a motorcycle. That model is smaller looking, but it's pretty powerful. It has a 500-pound weight capacity. If you're looking for to get a better price, you can definitely call us and we can hook you up. We also have some secondhand models available that come with a regular warranty. So the way that would work is they're significantly cheaper in price. They may have been a floor model, for example, or may have like a slight blemish. So if you're interested in a specific model, just call us and ask us if we have a secondhand model available and whatever AFIKIM model you're interested in, and we can see if that's available. And then we can send you pictures of the scooter, if there's any blemishes, things like that. But the great thing about that is that scooter will come with a regular warranty. So it includes the 3-year labor agreement. And if regular warranty that you would get with a brand new AFIKIM scooter. All in all, if you're looking for an awesome recreational scooter with a high weight capacity, with an excellent warranty, excellent support, and you're looking for that 3-wheel turning radius, the S3 is a great model. It's one of the best heavy-duty 3-wheel models on the market by far. Give us a call. We can answer any questions you might have about it. We're open every single day from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern. We have agents standing by. You can also visit us online at electricwheelchairsusa.com. We would love to earn your business, and we can definitely hook you up. So just ask us if you're looking for a deal, and we'll help you out with that. So thanks so much for watching. Guys, have an awesome day.